How to connect Discord in JumpTask. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Discord account to JumpTask. To do so, first of all, you'll need to open your JumpTask application on your mobile device and here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you will reach to this page. In this page, here at the top right, you'll be able to see your profile icon. Tap on your profile icon and now you will reach your profile page. Here in this page, you will need to scroll down and find this linked account option. Once you find it, tap on this option and once you open it, here you will be able to see the option Discord. Next to the Discord, you will also be able to see the link button. Go ahead and tap on this link button and after that you will be taken to the official website of Discord. Here you will need to sign in to your Discord account. For that, in these fields, you will need to enter your email address or phone number associated with your Discord account. After entering the phone number or email address, now enter the password of your account. Tap on the second text box and enter your password here. Make sure to enter the correct credentials here. After that, tap on this login button right here. And then here you will need to confirm you're not a robot. Tap on this I am a human checkbox. And after that, once you are logged into your Discord account, here in this browser page, you will be able to see Authorize button at the bottom. Here you will need to give access of your Discord account to JumpTask. Tap on this Authorize button below. And after that, here you will see you have successfully connected Discord to your JumpTask account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.